They're tired. Oh.
So the good news is there are so many awesome young artists here tonight. We've got Justin Bieber. I like your smooth. The Weeknd.
My sister is trying to put her little two babies to sleep. And
We also got a couple of really old ones. You know who you are.
she was hand feeding them when they were first born.
Just kidding. I am totally stoked to have my entire
They're like
family here
8 or
tonight.
9 weeks old already.
You guys, if it's anything like Christmas, just be prepared
And
for
we
a
have
gift by
another
Elliot.
little one on my shoulder. Where is she? Let me see if I can get her.
Balloon Man this year, designed by my friend
Oh,
Jeremy
there's
Scott.
Grandpa talking over there. Let's go back to the bird zone.
Kind of makes me wish that I would have put out an album this year, but I actually took the year off from music to focus on my true love, Instagram.
Tommy wants to sing happy birthday.
You know, I just find that it's a much easier way to express myself and to connect with my fans. And when it comes to my posts, everyone thinks that I just think up some crazy ass and then I just post it. But
Look at the
it's
little
actually
baby,
a
so
lot more
beautiful.
involved than that. Please, take a look at my process.
Do you want to say anything to your Auntie Gina and your cousins? Huh?
You say something.
Go ahead.
You say something.
Yeah, you say something.
You say something. I'm not putting them in bed. They're trying to bite.
Just say Auntie Gina and something.
Come here. Here, let me get the baby off of your shoulder. Then he can say hi. Hey! Whoop!
Bending his feathers.
Are you good? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi again. Say hi. Say hi.
This one tries to talk to us.
Look, she's saying hi. Hold on.
Cockatiels
Say hi.
don't really say words, but
They whistle them.
they whistle. But she's a female, and she like tries to talk with her little squeaks.
Say hi. Hi. She's saying hi.
Hi, baby girl. Baby girl, yes.
Say hi.
Yes, yes.
Say hi again.
Tell me who did it, baby girl. Yes, yes, I know. Oh, good job.
Say hi.
Say hi, baby girl. Oh, my goodness. Say hi. Hi. Talk. Yes.
She's saying hi.
Yes, say yes. Yes. Talk to me. Good job. Say hi, baby girl. Oh, I know. Say baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. What? Say hi. Yes, hi. 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 Talk to me. Come on. Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Too bad your other two siblings don't try to talk.
Yeah, talk.